Well, today is the launch of our new Health, Safety and Environment test. The industry's changed a lot over the years. We have changed too, and we've needed to change and maintain the health and safety test to keep up with modern practice.
As different parts of the industry have shown more commitment to a qualified and competent workforce, far more people have come through to take the test. The test really allows people to understand that any candidate who's taken the test and holds a test pass has a minimum level of health and safety awareness. Over the last decade, we've had about 4.5 million book the health and safety test so far. And we're also doing about one booking for the health and safety test every 59 seconds.
The key things that have changed in the test is that we've introduced questions around health-related issues. We've also introduced some questions around environmental protection. And we've also introduced some questions around behavioural issues.
I think the most interesting changes are the behavioural-based questions, asking me to make particular decisions in particular scenarios. Previously, the last test that I took was very much a knowledge-based test. I think it's good that we're now being prompted to actually think about our particular behaviours in particular situations.
It does indicate that we don't want people to actually continue in a dangerous situation. So let us know, we will put the situation right, and sometimes management aren't always knowledgeable about the situations that are there.
Yeah, I think the test has been well established now as a very good way of testing people's initial knowledge, a basic understanding of health and safety before they come on site.
Demonstrates a certain level of knowledge, and with the behavioural case studies as well, it also demonstrates how you want people to behave in certain situations, making sure they take the right action. So I think that's a really good step forward from the previous test.
We're taking photographs of every candidate who comes and sits the test, and we're also taking a digital signature as well.
Yeah, well, I think it's a really good way of people demonstrating competence before they come on site to ensure that they work safely whilst they're on our sites, and obviously can then learn going forward from that for the specific tasks that they're set to do.
CITB-Construction Skills have been working closely with our partners in industry, particularly the UK CG companies, the Health and Safety Executive and the Environment Agency. And it's really through listening with them so that we learn from their experience, we learn from statistical analysis of where pollution incidents have happened or where there's been accidents, that we can then turn that back to look at our products and services and to improve things like the health, safety and environment test.
Sadly, over a quarter of the work-related fatalities in this country are in the construction industry, and therefore it is important that we help train and develop the workforce so that it is competent, it is risk aware, and the leadership and supervisory skills are in place to minimise any such problems.